What's up guys, Salt here, welcome back to another video, and today we are going to be unboxing the HomePod Mini. Right before we get into the video guys, make sure you go down below and hit the subscribe button and the little bell button so you never miss another video. And also, if you do enjoy this video, please consider hitting the like button as well. But yeah, now let's get right on into unboxing the HomePod Mini. Okay, so first, let's tear off the plastic, then I'll show you the box. So on this side, we have a little Apple logo with HomePod and then Mini, and then we have the HomePod Mini itself, and this is the space gray one, and then a HomePod Mini on this side as well, but this one is kind of like staticky, I guess, and this one's more like lines. And then another picture of the HomePod on this side, and then on the top we have the top of the HomePod Mini, and then on the bottom we just have some information. So now let's pull the top of the box off. There we go, and there's the HomePod Mini. Okay, so as you can see, the first thing that you're greeted by is the actual HomePod Mini itself connected to the USB-C cable. For now, I'm going to set this off to the side and we'll have a look at what's in the rest of the box. So there's a little green arrow here to pull it up. Underneath that, we have some paperwork, quick start guide, and then we actually do have some Apple stickers. Here, you do get one Apple sticker, and then just some instructions on how to set up your HomePod Mini. And then at the bottom, you do actually get a 20-watt USB-C adapter, and that's it in the box. And now let's have a look at the HomePod Mini. Okay, so I'm gonna take this paper off the cable. Oh, okay, so the cable is actually braided. I don't know how well you guys can see that, but the cable is braided. It's a very nice braid. Does not seem like it'll come off. And then we just got some more paper down here covering the bottom with the little Apple logo. Okay, so that's interesting. There was rumored to have the iPhone 12 cable be braided this year, but it ended up not being. And then what's also interesting is that it's a black braided cable, but the wall adapter is white. So it's white and black, but I mean, I guess they don't have black wall adapters. And also the cord is always plugged into the HomePod Mini, so you can't unplug it from there. But you can unplug it from the wall adapter, and this is just USB-C. So I'm not gonna set this up in this video because this is actually my dad's, so shout out to him for letting me unbox it. But for now, I'm just gonna set it over there and talk about some of its features. Okay, so the HomePod Mini is a mini version of the HomePod, which comes in at $99. It is a smart speaker equipped with a Siri and a bunch of other features. Some things new with this one is that you can bring your iPhone or whatever up to the HomePod Mini, and if you hold it there for a second, it will directly transfer the music playing from your phone to the HomePod, which is pretty neat. And there's also an intercom feature, which you could just say, hey blank, intercom blah blah blah, and it will send that intercom to every single Apple device that is hooked up to that same Wi-Fi, I think. Also, another thing on here, you can barely see it on camera, but there is a volume up and volume down. So you can just tap these to turn up the volume, or just do it by your voice as well. And also, if you guys want to see another video of me testing out these features, please let me know down in the comments below. I will gladly, I just don't want to set it up yet because it's my dad's. But yeah, if you guys do want to see another video of a full review and testing out the HomePod, please let me know in the comments. I gladly will. But yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed it, and if you did, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you never miss another video. And I'll see you all in my next one. Peace.